Hello everyone, hope you enjoyed my latest project. It was real fun making it. Was really simple, to be honest. It went out really great, I think. Look at it. Pretty cool. So if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe, like, share. I don't know. If you have any crazy projects or ideas you want me to make, just comment down below and I'll check it out. I'm reading the comments, don't worry, I'm here. And I hope to see you next time, guys. Peace. I'll put him here.
Oh yes. Lovely. Lovely.
Stay. No, he will fall and then break. I don't wanna. Okay.